Hello guys, welcome. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to highlight entire row in Microsoft Excel. Let us begin. And first step, select your data and then navigate to Home tab in the tab menu. Go to Conditional Formatting, New Rule. This pop-up window will open. In a rule type, select the last one. Use a formula to determine which cells to format. And then click here. Write this formula equal row equal row again. Go to format, click into fill, and then select which color do you prefer. I will select this one. Okay. Okay again. And then right click on the sheet name, view code, select worksheet. Here type target. Dot calculate. Select calculate. And then close this window. Click on which row you want. It will automatically highlight. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. For more daily tips and tricks, subscribe us and give us your feedback in the comments.